Breathe easy, stay cool. Leo Mount's comprehensive AC preventive maintenance. Is your AC working harder than it should? Don't wait for a breakdown when the summer heat hits. Protect your investment and ensure optimal performance with Leo Mount International's expert preventive maintenance service. Why choose Leo Mount for your AC maintenance? 1. Extended AC lifespan. Regular maintenance prevents costly repairs and extends the life of your valuable AC units. 2. Improved energy efficiency. Clean components mean your AC runs smoother, using less energy and saving you money on your bills. 3. Enhanced air quality. Clean filters remove dust, allergens, and pollutants, providing healthier, fresher air for your home or office. 4. Reduced risk of breakdowns. Proactive maintenance identifies potential issues before they become major problems. 5. Peace of mind. Enjoy consistent, reliable cooling throughout the year. Our comprehensive preventive maintenance service includes an indoor unit deep clean, thorough washing of indoor unit coils and components, cleaning and disinfection of air filters, inspection and cleaning of drainage trays, rearrangement and clearing of drainage pipes to prevent blockages, an outdoor unit thorough wash, cleaning of condenser coils and fan blades, removal of debris and obstructions, visual inspection for any damage or leaks, a performance check, testing of refrigerant levels, checking electrical connections, verification of optimal operating temperatures. Leo Mount International, your trusted AC maintenance partner. We are committed to providing reliable, professional, and affordable AC maintenance services. Our experienced technicians are trained to handle all makes and models of air conditioners and refrigerators.